Hey guys, it's Brandon again. Um, so we've seen what's been going on over the last 6 weeks on the stock market. It's been an absolute bloodbath. It's just not making any sense. The Nasdaq is up, some of the tech are down, S&P is up, some of the big companies are up, some of the big companies are down. It's a very uncertain, very volatile, very hard to time market. And because of that, people are stressed out, people are fearful, and rightfully so. There's a lot of nonsense going on. But I'm going to share some tips today. And once I personally mastered those tips, I started making millions of dollars every year on the stock market. So master these, and it's going to help you do the same. It's going to help propel you forward. Oh yeah, like, share, and subscribe. That thing. So tip number one is this: understanding debt. People borrow hundreds of billions of dollars every single year to put money into the stock market. So what does that mean? This is not their own money. People are leveraging this debt to make more money. So if there's any little pullback in the market, and you may hear this term, and it refers to debt, leverage or margin. Anytime there's a little pullback, people get fearful and they'll liquidate entire positions. Liquidate positions by 70, 80% just so they protect that original money that they borrowed. Because if the market or the sector ever pull back really crazy, then they're asked out. That's hundreds of millions, billions of dollars that these people have to now find a way to pay back. So understanding that debt leverage is part of the reason why we've been having this crappy, volatile, hard to call market. It's not fair at the moment because of how much leverage is in the market. And with the government printing out all this money, having interest rates at 3% for 30 years, if you're not borrowing money now, then something is wrong with you. This is the time you borrow it, and rightfully so. Now, the next thing is this: taxes. Now, people are making a lot of money on the market. 2021 is a record year of how much people have made in the market. But with making that much money, they're also going to be paying a lot of taxes. So what people do, they sell positions so that they can use some of that profit to pay their taxes and also buy back lower into the same sector or different sectors so that they can claim it as a tax loss. Or sometimes they hold on to the losing positions so that they can claim that as a loss once they sell it. So taxes, avoiding taxes, not paying a lot of taxes, is another reason why the market is falling this much, especially around this time. End of the year is coming up. Taxes are about to be due, and people are trying to do everything that they can right now to, escape that trap. The next thing is this: algo trading. And this is something that personally pisses me off, is algo trading. Now, back in the old day, you had guys like me who sat in front of the computer. We spreadsheet a company to death. We look at the fundamentals. We look at the debt to income ratio, the assets they own, their customer acquisition, seeing how much their existing customers are buying this product, repeat customers basically. Analyzing a company. Now, with data technology, right, you can plug any mathematical equation in, anything. This stock is below 3-4 billion, so it's high risk. And the computers would read this as something that is not investable. And it will create a giant sell-off. Sometimes companies involuntarily liquidate because of the algorithms that they're using to trade. Just like some of my videos, I've put out great information on stocks. Every stock that I've put out have hit. But why is my video circulating on YouTube? Algorithm. Everything is algo. People go viral because of algo. And dumbass people have great, crazy fame because of algo. And that's the same thing that is happening in our markets right now. This algorithmic trading is ridiculous, and it's driving great companies' shares down to the drain. It's absolutely crazy. So with the debt, the taxes, and the algorithmic trading, plus in this environment right now, it's crazy. So people are losing their heads. But this is the secret, right? One of the secrets. If you are invested in a fundamentally good company, sometimes you do not have to do anything. You could just sit and wait. The best thing to do sometimes in a market like this is, yes, and I will always say this, your core stocks, buy them when they're low. That's first and foremost. Secondly, sometimes just wait. You don't have to play the market every single day, every single week. The stock market, I think I'm going to butcher this, but Warren Buffett said it, it's a tool of transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Sometimes you just have to wait. I've waited for 6 months before until a stock recovered, went above my cost basis, did an options call on it, and made tens of thousands of dollars. So the same money that I would have been making monthly, I made that over the course of 6 months just by waiting. And it's okay to wait. Sometimes you don't have to do anything. So this is my video right here. This is exactly what's going on in the market. I know it's driving us crazy. It's going to get better. If you have small caps especially, it's going to get better. So don't worry. Just wait. Do your very best. Buy the dip and continue to be great. Like, share, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.